Did you know you could take those plain old SVGs and turn them into beautiful illustrations without having any crazy software experience? Yes, that's right. Using Cricut Design Space, you can take those SVG designs and turn them into colorful layered designs. And if that is something that you're interested in, this video is for you. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is slide on over to designbundles.net and grab this free SVG given to us by the amazing Kita Lee. Guys, if you don't know about her, where have you been? Her items are incredible. She has a wide variety of different things that she offers to customers, and she's chef's kiss. The first thing that we need to do, of course, is download the zip. Once we download it, it's going to pop up like this. You're going to want to right click and do extract all. It's going to open up in its own folder, and inside of the folder it's going to look like this. Unless you have a Mac, you don't need this. We're not about keeping things that we don't need. From there, you're going to go to view all. Now, if you guys already have a SVG viewer installed on your computer, you might not see exactly what I'm looking at, and if you're interested in knowing how to get those SVGs to preview exactly like mine are, be sure to click this link here and I'll show you how to do that. So we're going to take this particular can wrap and we're going to upload this inside of Cricut Design Space. Now if we were to jump straight in and start using our contour feature, we're going to be missing some of these areas, like right here, because there's nothing that's connecting this, so there's nothing that's making that particular area a solid shape. So in order to fix that, what we're going to do is create a box, send it to the back, and we're going to cut out around it. So what I did was select the design itself and the box, and I'm going to go up to the top toolbar. We're going to go to align, we're going to center it horizontally, and then we're going to line it to the bottom. That way we're getting a nice clean edge and everything is going to come out the way that it's supposed to come out. So doing this, we're going to go to slice, and now we're going to have this image, and this image. I know it looks a little crazy, but just hang in there. We don't need all of this stuff. What we're going to do now, we can go ahead and delete this. We're going to slide over our original SVG just so that we can have it, and we're going to use this particular piece. So because this is a wrap, we actually don't need all of that surrounding area. So in order to get rid of that, we're going to select the sliced out image, and we're going to go to the bottom right and where it says contour, and we're going to hide the background part just like this. Yes, it looks weird. Trust the process. So I know that I'm going to want to do this flower one color. So here's a color, 2 colors, 3 colors, 4 colors, 5 colors, 6 colors. So let's just copy and paste this. So here's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now that all of our color options are together, what we're gonna do is select both the contoured pieces and the outline. We're gonna align them to the bottom, and we're gonna slide this over so that it kind of lines up, so we can kind of see what we're looking at our end result. I'm gonna go ahead and hide all of the pieces that I don't need right this second, and we're gonna leave one piece open. So we're gonna start with getting all of our green leaves. We're gonna select the base layer and we're gonna hit contour again. When the box is selected like this, that means that layer is hidden. So what we're going to do, since we're only picking out the leaves, we're just gonna go ahead and hide everything right now. And I'm gonna start selecting our leaves. I'm gonna re-hide the massive shape around it and continue to pick out all of our leaves. Now you guys can use the screen like what I'm doing here, or you can scroll through these pieces here. I find it easier just to use the screen. Sometimes it can be difficult to kind of pick out exactly where those shapes are. So for me, this is just easier, but if you are the opposite, by all means, you do you. So we have this piece here, and we're gonna go ahead and color it green. I'm gonna slide this to the back. Then kind of digging it. So let's unhide another layer, select it. We're gonna hit that contour button again, and we're gonna repeat this process until all of our colors are available. Be right back. And just like that, you can create full color vinyl wraps. Like, if this doesn't excite you about those SVGs, you don't have to have an insane amount of experience. You don't have to have a fully decked out colorful thing. You could take something that was plain like this and turn it into an amazing wrap. Imagine how customized you can get those Libby beer cans or decals or anything for that matter by just taking a few moments to add color inside of Cricut Design Space. I, for one, think it's incredible, and I know that you guys can take this information and run with it. If you are interested in seeing how I did another design exactly like this, check out this video here. I will walk you through the exact same process and we can create another awesome layered design. Get some more practice in, guys, because this will change the game for you. I'm telling you. Until the next video, see ya.